Let's make tea time. I got the drink called Tea Time from the 12-Bottle Bar by David Solmonson and Lesley Solmonson, and I've not been able to find anything else about this drink, so I assume, and you know what they say about assumptions, that it is a 12-Bottle Bar original. If you know anything more about Tea Time, let me know in the comments down below. A note on the rum. The 12-Bottle Bar separates rums into two categories. They have white rums and they have amber rums. A white rum is a rum that's white, and an amber rum is everything else. This is an amber rum drink. I have not tasted all the amber rums in the world, so I can't vouch for the best one for this drink. I'm going to be using Appleton Estate's Signature. If you find another amber rum that works great in this drink, feel free to let me know what it is. To make this drink, we are going to start with half a teaspoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Half a teaspoon is 2.5 milliliters. And we're going to put it in our mixing glass. 1 ounce of black tea syrup. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And I do make my own black tea syrup. I make my own tea syrup. Recipe is here on the channel if you want to check it out. Link will be down below. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. And finally, 3 ounces of your amber rum. 3 ounces is 90 milliliters. Grab some ice, add some ice, and give it a stir. Now, the official glass for this drink is an ice-filled coupe. I don't normally put ice in coupes. Also note that my coupe is 4 ounces volume. The amount of drink I can put, or the amount of liquid in this drink is a little over 4 ounces. So this is not going to fill up it's going to fill up pretty quick. So what I'm going to do is fill up another coupe with ice and strain the rest in there. If you have bigger coupes, you don't need to do this step. Garnish, twist of lemon, and luckily I have 2 twists. And by luckily, I mean I planned it. I'll drink the ugly one. And 2 sprigs of mint. Well, 1 sprig of mint if you only have 1 coupe. Wake them up. Oh, that's so small. How cute. And there you have it. The Tea Time from the 12-Bottle Bar. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. I'm going to repeat my question. Do you know anything more about Tea Time, the cocktail? Let me know in the comments down below. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. While you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.